Welcome to the basic siren makeup tutorial. You know, like the basic witch, but if she were a mermaid. If that doesn't make sense yet, it totally will by the end of the video. The first step is, of course, to prime your eyes. And let's also talk about the Halloween colors, since this tutorial will definitely make a perfect Halloween makeup look. Now, here's the most important tip of the whole look, I guess. By the way, we'll also learn an easy trick on how to do mermaid makeup. Okay, look straight ahead in the mirror. I'm trying to look straight ahead in mine. I cannot look straight ahead here because if I put the mirror here, you won't be able to see me. Take a brown pencil. It has to show up on your skin, but at the same time, not be too dark so that you can easily cover it with eyeshadow. It won't be noticeable. And you just draw a line here above your crease, slightly above. It won't be visible later, that's just mapping out things. And you go almost to the outer corner and that's where it will bend. That's just an approximate sketch. And then go to the inner corner. Over here you will start to bend it towards the inner corner. Eyeshadow time. One of the traditional Halloween colors in my opinion is black, which is ironically the color that I will not be using in this video. We are going for this Multichrome, which shifts, I hope you can see it, from blue to purple. And you put it above this line that you drew. So it's like a blurple shifting to magenta purple. Of course, purple is one of the most Halloween colors of all. Very witchy, that's why I said it's like a basic witch. By the way, this brown eyeliner mapping trick was introduced to me by my friend Diana's Makeups. She's doing some fabulous eye looks. Next, you're going to map out the eye shape by drawing kind of a winged eyeliner here. You will just later follow this shape. You can even extend it here a little bit. I feel like one of the most Halloween combos is purple, green, and orange. Go above the crease with a slightly bigger brush. Fill in the gap and you can blend slightly upwards. It's definitely a trust the process kind of look. Now, we're not going to be using an orange in today's color combo for the look because I believe orange isn't really a mermaid vibe, but we are going for the green, which is once again a multichrome. So we're trying to do an iconic witchy purple and green combo. This is such a beautiful shade. And you might rightfully ask, well, how is this witchy combo going to become siren? But don't you worry, we're first going to go for some subtle hints with colors and then absolutely not subtle ones with face makeup and a very easy trick so that you can do many mermaid makeup ideas. The first subtle color trick is this multichrome, which shifts from teal to purple. Look at that. Now, I don't think that teal is considered to be a very Halloween color, but it is definitely a very siren one. We're just going to underline almost the whole lower lid, leaving some room for pink. A very cool toned and sparkly pink, might I add. Let's put it in the inner corner. Now we will be doing something very interesting regarding face makeup, and let me just put on mascara. For the face, we're starting with the basics, aka the foundation, but we will not stop there. I have a whole review on my channel for this foundation, by the way. I did end up getting it in my summer shade as well. I absolutely love it. While I'm also applying the foundation as a concealer, do let me know in the comments what color combos in your opinion scream Halloween. What are the classic Halloween combos for you? And let's not forget this zone right here, which is often blue for many people. Now that's where the fun starts. Next you need a fishnet, because mermaids are often caught in fishnets. Don't tell me you've never caught one. Okay, this is a stocking and I hope I don't ruin it. I still want to wear it one day and it's new. Now people use tights. Now they are... Oh, it won't go on my head. It won't go over my head. Oh my goodness. What am I to do? Or will it? Okay, guys. I might ruin it for this video. Okay, we're almost there. What the hell am I doing? Oh. Okay, that's what we were trying to do, except for the hair. Oh my goodness. I feel so uncomfortable. But let's hope it's worth it and that the eye makeup isn't ruined. Oh no, my nail is starting to break. Not long here. I hope you're having fun right now, because I'm not. I feel like my mascara might get ruined. I will try to act quickly. I will use these two light multichromes. You don't have to use as many, you can just use one. But the point is that it should be light so that you can apply it as a highlighter. I'm trying not to blink almost. Okay, so put it where your highlighter should be. Oh, this is sparkly. Okay, like that. Now the next one, I'm putting it right underneath this one. And once again, you can just use one light multichrome. I'm just in the mood for two because, you know, with this on I can be in the mood for anything. I feel like I'm allowed to be. It's suffocating me a little bit. And now I'm going to use this darker multichrome again, this one, the teal to purple one, and I'm going to do kind of the contouring here, right here, to add some dark mermaid scales as well. These should be scales. If these are not scales in the end, I will be very mad. Okay, so kind of like that. It's so asymmetrical because I can barely see anything. Like it's it's pretty bad actually, but it should still turn out decent in the end, in my opinion. And adding a little bit more of that blue just to fill in the gap in between, because why the heck not? Just add a little bit more of the sparkly one. Did I add enough contour? I normally don't contour, but since I'm a mermaid, why not? Okay guys, I'm starting to have trouble breathing, so I need to take this off. The moment of truth. Oh my god. Oh, my nails. Oh. 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 Oh my. Oh, it actually turned out. It actually turned out nice. Look. Oh, the scales are there. With the contouring, maybe not so much. Let me also show you how tight it was. See this? What is this? Yeah, the scales definitely here. Here the scales turned out definitely better than here. Because like, what is this? Oh, this is fun though. I am having fun, but... And this, my friends, is the trick of how people do mermaid makeup fairly easily without having to paint individual scales. However, I do recommend using fishnet tights instead of hold-ups, because you will pull them over your head so much more easily. For the lips, I'm thinking teal, blurple, and pink, which are not Halloween colors at all, except maybe for blurple. I guess another Halloween makeup color combo would be something like black, red, and gray. Definitely not teal, blurple, and pink. This kind of speaks more of summer, I guess. We're going for triple ombre lips in this video. I have a whole video on my YouTube channel about how to do triple ombre lips easier. I will link it in the description box. It's really not as hard as it seems. You just need to try it. But of course, if you feel uncomfortable, feel free to do just a simple ombre lip or just an all-over color with a little bit of the shimmer eyeshadow on top. Blend the blurple into the teal. Leave room for the pink lipstick. If you're wondering which colors go well together for lip ombres, I have a makeup guide in the description. You can download it for free. And finally, the pink lipstick. Let's take a look at some close-ups of the makeup first. The scales are scaling. If the video has been fun so far, please consider giving it a like. It will help it spread to more people on YouTube. Thank you. Take a look at those multi-chrome shifts. Of course, you can also use just shimmer eyeshadows if you don't have all those multi-chromes. Make it easy for yourself. You don't have to buy any new products. So can purple, green, teal, and pink be considered Halloween makeup colors? Or is this more of a summer mermaid makeup? Let me know in the comments. Should it be purple, green, black, and orange? Or maybe red, black, and gray? Because you can actually recreate this makeup in any of those colors instead of gray. Just make sure you're using silver for the mermaid scales. And if you want more Halloween makeup ideas and tutorials, you are welcome to see this playlist, and I'll meet you there. Bye.